Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Pratishtha Punkolienkar, Ayush Medical Officer under National Health Mission from Urban Health Center, Malgaon. Today we've all gathered over here for a TB awareness walkathon. Currently India is in NTEP phase, that is National Tuberculosis Elimination Program, and we are having a 21 days TB Mukta Bharat campaign all over India starting from 24th of March and it's ending on the 13th of April. So during this tenure we are having different activities. One of them is TB walkathon. This is just to create awareness about tuberculosis so that we can diagnose most of the cases at the earliest, initiate prompt treatment, and we can eliminate tuberculosis at the earliest. And this walkathon is in collaboration with Chowgule's NSS unit of the Chowgule College and with Human Touch Foundation from Agasiam. And the only message we want to convey to people is whether you have cough for more than 2 weeks, or if you have fever or any other typical tuberculosis symptom, or for that matter lymph node enlargement, please consult your nearest doctor and rule out tuberculosis, because we have to eliminate this disease, and the NTEP elimination target is by the year 2025 in India. Thank you.